Hi there, students. Same difference. Very often this phrase is used just on its own. Same difference. It is the same difference. This is a way of saying two things are different, but the difference doesn't matter. The difference is irrelevant. The same difference is saying that this is a distinction which makes no significant difference. If you jump out of a building on the 120th floor, or you jump out of a building on the 130th floor, same difference. Okay, the difference is the same. That is the difference between the two is the same. But very often people say the same difference. It's the same thing. Yes, they are different, but this distinction between these two things makes absolutely no difference. It doesn't change anything. So the same difference. Making no actual difference. The same or essentially the same. I know I was supposed to wear a black shirt, but I only had a grey one. But same difference, no? Do you want to come on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday? For me, the same difference. There's no difference at all. Do you want to buy the blue one, the red one or the green one? Same difference. It doesn't matter to me. For me, the difference makes no difference at all. There's no difference. These are the same thing. Whether you go and meet these people or I go and meet these people, it's the same distance. Okay, so the same difference. Is she divorced from her husband? No, she's only separated, but same difference. Yeah, they just haven't got the piece of paper to say it. So it's saying, normally you say this with a shrug, same difference. It doesn't make any difference. Did you work as a chef for 4 years or 5 years? Same difference. It doesn't matter if it was 4 or 5. So you're saying this when perhaps something is not exactly correct, but the difference is not relevant. He was riding a bicycle. Well, actually he was walking, but same difference. He was on his way, he was going. So it means what somebody said is not technically correct. Your team won every match they played last year. Not quite. They actually won one match out of 28. But same difference. They were bloody awful. So it's saying this is the same thing. Yes, they're different, but the difference is the same. So is she my sister or my stepsister? Same difference. Yeah, the relationship is the same. There's no difference between the two things. That the two things, to me, are not different in any way. Notice this same difference is an oxymoron, because either two things are the same or they're different. And an oxymoron is where two words say opposite things. Same and difference. No, these are opposites, and that makes it an oxymoron, by the way. Okay, so the same difference. There is no effective difference. Yes, they're not 100% the same, but the same difference. They're 99.9999% the same. Same difference. Yeah, we're splitting hairs. There's no real difference. There's no effective difference between the two. Yeah, they're equivalent. They're as broad as they are long. It's 6 of one and half a dozen of the other. They are equal. There's no distinction between the two. I guess you could use this phrase literally. There's 10% off A and 10% off B. So the same difference in price. But no, the same difference. Two slightly different things are, if in all to all intents and purposes, the same thing, that there's no difference. Same difference, formality. 3.5. I think I'm going to give it a 3.5 in formality. I would use it in an informal conversation, an informal writing, but I don't think I would write it. Well, maybe in something very informal, but no more. So, same difference.